In this video, I'm gonna show you how to verify game files on FiveM. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? This process will work to any version of your GTA V and your FiveM, okay? So what you need to do is come to your Steam and click with the right button right here, okay, on GTA. After doing that, you click on Properties and come on the third option, Local Files. Then you will see three options and you need to click on the third option, Verify Integrity of Game Files, okay? And yes, if you click on this option, you will verify also the game files on FiveM, okay? Not only on GTA V. So click on this option and that's it, you already verified your game files on FiveM. I hope I helped you how to verify game files on FiveM. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.